Before filming, make sure that you clean the lens. Wipe it carefully and ensure that you remove any dust particles that might be in it. Next, ensure your camera settings are ready. Ensure that the grid setting is on and check the quality to ensure that it's running at the right speed, and check that it's running at the right frames per second. Next, make sure that flight mode is on to disable any notification or calls. Once the phone is clipped into your tripod, you can either use a stable surface to film on, or as this is an advanced tutorial, I'm encouraging that you add movements into your shots to make them look more dynamic and also to pick up more details of the artifacts. Use tracking shots and panning to capture more of the artifact or object being displayed in your film. Ensure that the phone is clipped into the tripod and that you're holding the phone with both hands to ensure full stability. When filming a demonstration, make sure that you hold the camera steady and turn down the brightness on the screen so that you have a more crisp and clear shot. When zooming in on the subject or artifact, your phone will try to automatically refocus. To ensure focus is automatic, press the screen and the AE/AF lock will be triggered on. Turn down the brightness to ensure a sharper shot, especially when zooming in on an artifact. When filming inside, try using a medium shot, going directly into a full shot with movement so that you see one artifact in detail and the rest of the scene in full. Therefore, establishing your environment to the audience. When filming objects or people outside, zoom in on a subject when filming and use the natural light to your advantage. Hold the zoom or close-up shot for several seconds to allow your audience to gain some detail of your surroundings. Then add some movement to make your shot look more dynamic and showcase more of the environment that you are in. Again, practicing those panning shots that we used earlier. Think about the type of extreme close-ups that you want to show. This would be to portray an artifact or important object. So hold onto the screen so that the AE/AF lock appears, and this will keep the focus automatic. Zoom in on the screen and show the artifact in full to the audience. You might want to add some movement to show the height or width of the object or artifact as well. And finally, think about how you are holding the camera whilst moving to keep it steady. One hand on the tripod and one on the edge of the phone itself to keep it as steady as possible whilst moving. But always remember to keep control of the brightness by tapping the screen and dragging downwards so that it is not too overexposed and you keep some of the shadows in your shots.